Hello everybody and welcome back to Mr. P channel. In this video or in this series of videos, I will try to teach you how to use Google Sheets. And this is the first episode, Intro to Google Sheets. So as you can see, I am inside my Google Drive. I am in the main folder, then inside everything YouTube, and there is a folder called Google Sheets YouTube. As you can see, it's nothing there. So let's start by creating first Google Sheet file. I click New and I choose Google Sheets. It's opening up the blank Google Sheets page. Depending on your computer, all this loading, first initial load can be faster or slower. I am currently on Acer R11 Chromebook with 2 GB of RAM, and so far in the beginning of loading a brand new Google Sheets, sometimes it's a bit slowish, but most of the time it loads quite quick. As you can see, it's still saying still loading, and right now it's loaded. It's doing all the necessary things by creating a file inside this folder. So far everything is good. So while this working icon still up there, I will start by introducing the buttons and the menu options. At the top, you see the green icon. By clicking this, you will go to a sheets.google.com website or page where it will show you all your Google Sheet files in one place. Now I have Untitled Spreadsheet. To change the name, I need to click on that and just rename it to anything what I want. You can put whatever you like. Star option is easier for you to find as this specific file if you don't want to go through all these. You just click on start and that file will appear there. As you can see, because I created inside this folder, that's where it created the file. Obviously, I can move it from here by dragging and dropping anywhere else, or I can move it by clicking on this folder and then choosing move this, and then I can manipulate through folders and end up in where I want to move it. There is a menu section at the top. Start from File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, Add-ons, and Help. In File is the usual options for you to choose, like New, Open, Rename, Move to a bin, Make a copy, and etc., or download as Excel, convert straight to Microsoft Excel or PDF, and etc. And next option is Edit. Obviously, again, the usual things like cut, copy, paste, and insert and delete columns and rows. View is more to the actual user interface where you can do a freeze the first. I will explain what all these means, but you can freeze the first row or 2 rows or X amount of rows, and the same with columns. Insert, if you want to insert, for example, chat, image, or link to a website, or form, or the drawing, comments, functions. Format is everything to do with your text. You can choose, you can change, for example, you want this to be F letter, or let's say A, B, C, B bold. You can click through there and choose bold. Data is more with the manipulating data, filtering, and etc. Tools is like extensions, like additions to a Google Sheet where you can create forms and etc. And add-ons is like gives you a steroids to Google Sheets. I will explain which add-ons I have and why I have them. And obviously help is for more information if you want to find out about Google Sheets. Below the menus, there is a quick shortcut line. Print, undo, redo, paint format. So format as a currency, as a percent. Decimals place, change it. Change a format into a date or number or duration, etc. I will explain all that to you as well. Fonts, you can choose from so many fonts, and you can even click by more fonts to go and download even more. Obviously, font size, do you want to bold, italic, strike through, change a text color, change a background color, change how border it looks like. This is a merge cells. Alignment, left, right, horizontal. You want to alignment top, bottom, or middle. The way text is being done, overflow or cut or wrap text, the text direction, insert a link, insert a comment, insert a chart, filter, functions, and rest of the options like make all the text in a paragraph aligned to left to right. So as you can see, right now I have a blank sheet. I can go all the way to a letter Z, and I can go all the way to the line 1000. Please note that you cannot exceed 2000 cells. Not 2000, 200,000 cells. Sorry. I believe it's 200,000 cells, and you cannot exceed the amount. So it's not like in Excel where the current Excel has like that amount of rows. Obviously, Google Sheets can go with the limit. This is like 1,104,000 rows, so it's plenty for you to play. But obviously, Google Sheets, what it gives you is plenty for you to use. On the bottom, there is insert a new sheet, all sheets, and the actual tab that you open. You can rename it by clicking on this triangle. Then you can duplicate, copy, rename it, change color. So let's say I wanted this to be red. So now I have a line red. And let's say if I have a multiple tabs and they go all the way behind the screen, by clicking this, you can jump straight away to which one you want. And that's it. That's pretty much it, what you can do. Oh, forgot to mention to you, and I'm very sorry about it, this is a function line. Function line where you can write all the formulas to do all the calculations for you. So I hope this quite explains what all this about. And again, I forgot to mention comments, so that turns on and off all the comments if you don't insert the comment through here. So if I insert a comment saying test, this button will show me all the comments and their locations inside the cell. And this is share privately or publicly with everyone online. So you can create a spreadsheet, let's say, of all the bus times or let's say ticket prices, etc. You can share it. People can view the file, but they cannot edit. So I just don't want to delete this comment. It's all fine. So that's it. I hope I'm not missed anything. In the next video, we will learn how to do the standard mathematical algorithms like plus, minus, and etc. And it's giving me an error because I started with the plus sign. But I will explain to you how to do a quick calculations on the Google Sheets. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.